Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bathroom refresh. So our bathroom does not have a ton of storage, and it is also the laundry room, so we have to store a lot of things in here. And there's no linen closet. Well, there is, but it's like super small. And so we needed to get creative and we needed to put a shelf in here. But this is just not working for us with all of things, and I need to declutter this, but the kids just can't find their toothbrushes and it's just not good. So we are going to get a new shelf in here from IKEA. So we're going to move this out of here. And then this is the change table area that I just set up. And this is ideally going to move over a little bit so that it is not right by the washing machine, because it gets in the way when we're trying to do laundry. But we love having this in here. It is where we store all of our kiddos' clothes until they're like 1 or 2. So yeah. And then we just got these to wrangle all of the pull-ups. These are my daughter's daytime pull-ups, and then her nighttime ones, and then our middle son still uses these from time to time at night. And then down here we have all the kids' socks because we just don't have anywhere to store them. So these are the boys' socks, and then these are just like ones we need to sort through so they don't just sit in a laundry basket. And then yeah, we have way too many socks that have piled up from all 3 of the kids, but we will be prepared. And then we also have some storage up there. That's all of the crib sheets and twin sheets for all of the kids' beds. And yeah, just all of our towels and different things. So yes. The shelf has been moved, the change table is off to the side, and now I'm just giving this area a deep clean, a steam mop, wiping down the baseboards, getting that spring cleaning in, and there's a big mess behind the scenes of all of the things that need to be organized and decluttered. I filmed this a while ago at the beginning of March, and it was a 2-day process. But yeah, I am a homeschool mom to 3, almost 4. I have gone over my due date at this point. So a baby could arrive any moment, but I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. continuing to go through everything, get things into this new organizer from IKEA. This is the Trofast system. It is targeted towards toy organization and storage, but I love how clean looking they are, and I love the bin system. We have a bunch of them in our dining room area to wrangle homeschool activities and supplies, and then we have some to store our curriculum and different things that we can get out and keep ourselves busy. And I also have a few in my craft room area, so I feel like you can use these for pretty much anything. But now I'm going through all of the different bathroom products that needed to be decluttered. I got rid of quite a bit and some packaging and all of that, and I'm just wiping them down because they're quite dusty from sitting on this shelf. And the things that I am keeping, I'm putting into this basket behind me, and I'm going to store it under the bathroom sink so that I can still quickly reach it, the stuff that I need to keep. And then I will be showing you the new refreshed space with the Trofast bins really quick here. Overall, I just love how much more simpler this is. It's cleaner, it's practical, we can see what we're dealing with, we know where everything is. The kids can help get diapers, they can maintain their space and put away their things, and they have a lot of room to grow. And we only have the basics here, so we do have like a few extra like hand towels and like our mop stuff out on the other shelf, but that is out of the way and extra storage. So this is so nice, and I love the simplicity of it. Okay, so here is the updated space with the Trofast bin and the bigger shelf removed, decluttered. We still need to go ahead and put these signs back up on the wall, but there's a little bit more room over here, which is nice. The change table doesn't get in the way of the washing machine and all of that. And yeah, I already showed you this organizing. I definitely need to do laundry, but up here we have hand towels, and these are just like some shoes and drool bibs for the baby, and some more of that, and then washcloths. And in here is my daughter's underwear, and in here is just like some extra stuff, and usually washcloths, but I need to go ahead and put those away. But those are things that the kids reach for regularly. And then we have 3 of these bins with lids. This is where the kids' toothbrushes go, and it's so nice. They have room as their bathroom needs grow. And then my daughters and my other son forgot to put his away, but yeah, we have their space that is for them. And we have this 3rd one, which is, I guess right now, is the baby's bin. So we have the diaper cream in there. So each of the kids will eventually have their own bin. So this one is empty right now. They're kind of figuring out the system. And then down here is our microfiber cloths, which we use for cleaning. My husband got a bunch of these from one of his jobs that he worked at, and we just love them. We keep a ton of them because we use them so often for like everything. So those are in here. And then we decluttered a lot and also kept some stuff on the shelf, which moved to our hallway. But I will show you underneath our sink where I put the stuff that I kept that was mine. So here is underneath the sink with the stuff that I kept. Some of this can probably go into like the baby spot behind me in their like new Trofast bin, but this is like some of my husband's stuff are off for summer. And then like my toiletries, like hairspray and lotions and different things, so I can just reach for it back there. And then this is just like extra like washing bags and different things that we do need to keep. And we have like band-aids in here. and different odds and ends. So yeah, this is where we are storing all the stuff that we did keep that doesn't need to be cluttering up a shelf that you see all of the time. So yes. That is all for today's video. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to get your spring cleaning started or continuing to do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you join me here as I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and day in the life videos, and all of that. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.